Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidyaguru, starting a new session on current affairs. This is going to be the first part for the month of August 2025. This session will remain in English medium, as you can see. You can make out. If you're not comfortable with the language, you can switch to the Hindi session that is there in the playlist. But this session, like this type of session, I should speak like that. So we record such sessions for our students who are in South India, for our students who are in Northeast India, like those students who are in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, those who are in Assam, Manipur. So students who are unable to understand Hindi well, we record such sort of complete English medium sessions primarily for them. You will study at least 40 new points, and they are not points, they are the questions which are going to be there in your exam straight away. So I think you should stay focused throughout. Let's start without any further ado. Let's start from here on. I am going to start from the first topic. As we deliver topic-wise current affairs, if you are a regular viewer, you know that. So these topic-wise current affairs are going to be very beneficial. That's how you can write a topic on the top and keep adding pointers down there. But you have to write, right? Let's start. There's a possibility that there are some points which were missed in July, so I've added those as well. But primarily the session is for August. First question. Rapid Chess Championship took place some time back. D. Gukesh won that. And we have heard, his name many times. So he has become that famous, already. So D. Gukesh has won that title. And that title was taking place in Croatia. That is what you must learn. Venue, winner, and what did he win, right? Let's focus on it once again. So Rapid Chess title 2025. This Grand Chess Tour took place in Croatia, and I said D. Gukesh won that. So I'm referring to chess, and D. Gukesh won that. So whenever you are there on social media, you may have seen him many times. So he's that same person. World Boxing Cup. World Boxing Cup. I told you the venue is important. Yes, so I've mentioned that. Kazakhstan was the venue. India won total 11 medals. So out of those, you must understand, those who brought gold for us, they are even more important. So I've written the names of those. Now, Jasmine Lamboria, Sakshi and Nupur, these are the three stellar performers, and they have brought gold for our country. Let me repeat. In the upper point, I've actually made you, learn that D. Gukesh won Rapid Chess Championship. He was on the tour to Croatia, right? He was, because the chess championship was taking place in Croatia. In the lower part, in the lower question, I've explained there was a championship which was taking place in Kazakhstan. So Kazakhstan was the venue. World Boxing Championship was taking place. There I told you, World Boxing Cup, where India brought 11 medals and Jasmine Lamboria, Sakshi and Nupur brought gold. I hope you understand the importance of this question. India second at Asian Para Archery Championship. So I hope you understand what I'm explaining here is that Harvinder Singh brought 2 gold. I'll tell you what is happening here. The place was China. The host was China. I should speak like that. China remained on top. China remained on top. We came second. And here we are saying in archery championship, we came second, a para archery, I should speak like that. So Asian para archery championship was taking place. India stood second, but Harvinder Singh is even more important than any other person because he brought 2 golds. I hope you understand the importance of such a thing. Now, once again, so India remained second at Asian Para Archery Championship, which was taking place in China. China remained on top. We came second. Harvinder Singh brought 2 golds. Now, 2025 Wimbledon Tennis Championship. So it was held a while back. You know that Jannik Sinner is becoming so famous. And if you know a little about him, he's from Italy and he's coming up as a stellar performer too. So Jannik Sinner from Italy won men's singles, Iga Swiatek, women's singles. How am I able to learn all that? Because I speak often. So you have to do the same thing. You have to keep these names in your brains forever. So keep speaking side by side. Don't mind, saying their names again and again. When I say Katrina Sinekova and Sam Verbeek. So I'm actually referring to mixed doubles now. The winners of mixed doubles means that I'm saying that one male and one female competed against another female and a male. So that's how mixed doubles, take place. Once again, I'm going to explain whatever I've taught because revision is quite important. That's how kids are able to retain. First question, D. Kukesh, Rapid Chess Championship, Croatia. Then I said World Boxing Cup in Kazakhstan, Jasmine Lamburia, Sakshi Nupur brought gold. Total 11 medals for our country, boxing. Then archery, Asian Para Archery. Read the title, it is sports updates, right? So sports news, I'm actually providing you that only. Because of being topic-wise class, that's going to benefit you a lot. We are not studying anything or everything like that. Everything is planned, everything is, delivered methodically. So write it down. If you write, you learn more. Now, Para Archery Championship, India stood second. Harvinder Singh brought 2 gold. Wimbledon Tennis Championship took place a while back, you know that. Jannik Sinner from Italy won that. Iga Swiatek, from Poland won that. Their nationality is also important. Learn that as well. So, men's singles and women's singles, I've actually talked about them that way. And then mixed doubles. So, Sam Verbeek and Katrina Sinekova. Please learn all the points, all the questions. If I show you 5 to 6 pages, you must understand that all pages are going to have multiple questions in them. And in total, of course, you will see around 40 points. If you understand the significance of such a question, such a questionnaire being delivered, please press the like button for sure. I would expect that at least from you. And if you are new to the channel, you have the option of subscribing. Pressing the subscribe button, please do that. Let's start. Appointments and important updates. So what is happening here? See, a while back, what happened is governors were changed. So Ashim Kumar Ghosh actually became the governor of Haryana. If you are a student who studies hard, if you are a student who wish to really prepare for any exam, whichever you are writing, be honest with yourself. Try to write down the names of chief ministers in the comment section. If you're not willing to, I am not going to force you. But such a question is quite relevant. You know that when the governors are changed, of course, they can ask you the chief minister's names also. That is what I believe. And that is why you must know the names of the same state's chief minister too. So when I say Haryana's governor, Ashim Kumar Ghosh, so I'm telling you something important and I'm asking you to peruse through or to search for something important. Kindly go and check that. If you're already aware, you can mention it. If you're aware of the name of just one person, one chief minister, you can do that. But I think you should check. If you cannot, no problem. Keep watching. Now, second question from you as well, the same one. Governor of Goa, name is a little difficult, but for you guys, no. See, if you're comfortable with language, everything, everybody can watch. But I said that these sort of sessions are primarily for our students from, who are in South India. That's how they are able to understand, they are able to, remain connected with current affairs and the kind of questions which are going to be there in your exams. Once again, I'll say the name of the person, Pushpati Ashok. Gajapati Raju has become the governor of Goa. Pushpati Ashok, Gajapati Raju, he has become the governor of Goa, then LG. I may call it lieutenant governor. You can call it lieutenant governor, whatever pleases you, no problem. Pronunciation does not matter here. So I said Kavindra Gupta has become the LG of Ladakh. I'm going to say it slowly so that you can retain it well. So governor of Haryana, Ashim Kumar Ghosh, I said that. Pushpati Ashok Gajapati Raju, he has become the governor of Goa. And then I said Kavindra Gupta became the LG of Ladakh. If you are not aware what LGs do, who they are, please. When we talk about the states have governors. But when you refer to a union territories have lieutenant governors, right? So lieutenant governor in a union territory. So usually it is like that. Securities Exchange Board of India. Securities Exchange Board of India, new executive director, See, people are not willing to know who's heading it. Here we are not even telling you exactly the head's name. We are saying that executive director, some top position, of course, who's got appointed on the top position. It was in dispute earlier, if you know that. So SEBI's new executive governor, executive director, Sunil Jayawant Kadam. So name is even a little difficult for you to learn, but you have to speak and you have to learn as you are going to take an exam. So if you take an exam, of course, you must learn all this. Sunil Jayawant Kadam. Sunil Jayawant Kadam has become SEBI's new what? Executive director. Next question. New chairman of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Am I talking about that insurance body head? That means IRDAI. Yes. So new chairman, of course you know that. So new chairperson, Ajay Seth. This name is easier comparatively. So I hope you will be able to retain it well. Please do that. That's how you'll be able to learn the information. Keep it in your minds. Chairman of IRDA is something, DAI is something that you have to be aware of. Please. Then UNESCO's World Heritage List. UNESCO's World Heritage List, to be very frank with you, new additions are there. If you are aware, Maratha forts are there in Maharashtra, primarily, but one is there in Tamil Nadu as well. So I'm not saying one is there, I'm saying one got added. Which one is there? The one which is there in Tamil Nadu, that also got added in UNESCO's World Heritage List. So it is something that you must learn. I'll repeat. Maratha forts in Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, that is how you have to learn, got added in UNESCO World Heritage List. So let's revise all that. Governor of Haryana, Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Governor of Goa, Pushpati Ashok Gajpati Raju. LG of Ladakh, Kavindra Gupta. SEBI's new executive director, Sunil Jayawant Kadam. New chairperson of IRDAI, Ajay Seth. Then Maharashtra. I've used the numbers, the letters, the initials which are there on the cards. This is not Tilak Nagar, of course, this is Tamil Nadu. So I am saying UNESCO World Heritage List, new edition, Maratha forts in Maharashtra and in Tamil Nadu. And I hope you're learning what I'm, speaking. If you missed the session of July, you can watch Sir's session. He uploaded those sessions. I couldn't do that, but the points which were, not added by him as well, I've added those here. So you'll not miss anything. July and August, I'm going to complete, I'm going to provide you the complete information on both the months. So don't worry, you're not missing anything. You can watch those sessions as well. What my suggestion is up to you. Otherwise, guys, if you wish to join, like if you wish to take coaching for some exam, and if you're not aware of government jobs, basically, so you can join our Telegram channel. You'll get this PPT there on that Telegram channel. It's pretty new sort of Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box. All the information, believe me, about the exams and whatever exam is out, even of your own state, you will not be aware. We are aware as we are into it only. So we'll make you aware about that. First thing. Second, if you wish to take this PPT, that is available on our Telegram channel. You can join and take that every time. Third thing, if you wish to take coaching from us, you can join us. The numbers are given below. Online.vidyaguru.in is our website. You can go and take the course of your choice. If you understand what I'm teaching right now, you can take the course. Exactly. If you are willing to take the session in Hindi medium, that is also available, but in a bilingual manner. So that session is also available. That is clearly up to you. Whichever exam you wish to write, any competitive exam will try to help you. Now, come back to the session once again. State news. First state to adopt Aadhaar-based. See, it is about states, of course. So state news, first state to adopt Aadhaar-based face authentication for ration. Himachal Pradesh did that. So without the face identification, nobody is going to get the ration. That is what they are stating. Now the next question is, Niti Aayog releases second Northeastern Region District Sustainable Development Goals Index. So the district topped in that Sustainable Development Goal Index, it is Nathial, which is in Mizoram. First, understand something. They are actually conducting some sustainable development group index they are providing, in which it is about districts only. So another district, like whichever district is there, which performed quite well, that will remain on top. So that is what happening here, that Niti Aayog releases second northeastern, that means first has already been taken out. We are referring to 23 and 24, so you cannot say that ma'am is not delivering lecture on 25 session. No, it's not that. They provide you the information on past years as well. So based on that, the information comes out to be, first district is Nathial, which is in Mizoram. So Nathial, which is in Mizoram, Niti Aayog releases second northeastern region district sustainable development goal index, in which it remained on top. Next, free travel card for female commuters and transgenders. Earlier, they were not, required to possess any card or something. So travel was free earlier as well in Delhi for women. Actually, I'll tell you, Saheli Smart Card. Now they have to, get a card. They have to get a card, and then you'll be allowed to travel in buses and all. So free travel card for female. That's the initiative of Delhi government. That is what I'm teaching you. So nothing great about it, but anyway, the question can be asked. That is why I'm just telling you. So former Jammu Kashmir governor passed away. I'm so sorry, but this question, I generally don't add who passed away. At times they ask question. Personality was significant, you know that. He remained the governor of many states. He used to speak a lot, you know that. Which party he was from, that you also know. You've seen him a lot. He was ill for quite a time. So Satyapal Malik, very important personality. He was the governor of Jammu and Kashmir last. So if an athlete passed away, if any athlete passes away, I should speak like that, they'll ask you which sport they were associated with. Similar thing is happening here. So governor passed away, so they'll ask you that he was the governor of which state. So formerly he was the governor of Jammu and Kashmir. That is how you must learn it. I'll repeat. I said first state to adopt Aadhaar-based face identification, Himachal Pradesh. Northeastern Region District Sustainable Development Goal Index came out. It is made by Niti Aayog, published by Niti Aayog. It is happening, or it is being published the second time. Nathial remained on top, and it is in Mizoram. Travel card, Delhi government. Saheli Smart Card. They'll ask you, Saheli Smart Card is the initiative of which state government? Then you have to say that Delhi government. Former Jammu Kashmir governor passed away. Satyapal Malik was the name. Now, next question. International updates. Now you have to understand what is happening. One page will have multiple, information, like multiple updates are there on one page. So learn it that way. Countries join new development bank ahead of. First of all, we are talking about NDB, New Development Bank, that is written on the top. So New Development Bank when the summit of BRICS is taking place. So BRICS is like Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Many nations are there, but the abbreviation, the expanded form of BRICS becomes that only. So 17th time BRICS summit, had to take place. Now, prior to the start, two new entrants, two new joinees, are there. So they are Cambodia, Colombia, and Uzbekistan. Now, what is happening here? It actually gives you the title, the number to 11. Like it is 11 countries are there in New Development Bank. That is what I've written here. Prior to 17th BRICS Summit, new entrants are there. And I said the names of those countries, Colombia and Uzbekistan. Right? So 11 members are there. Now, in New Development Bank, right? Prior to 17th BRICS Summit, NDB joined by two more nations. That is what I was explaining. That is it. Apple's new CEO. I'm referring to the person who's associated with operations, right? So Apple's new COO, Sabir Khan has become that. So CEO Sabir Khan has become Apple's new CEO. Income Equality Index, India ranks 4th. How can I explain? So it's the data actually. So Income Equality Index, India ranks 4th. Like out of all the nations, we are on 4th rank. In terms of income parity, great. Namibia's highest civilian award to PM Modi. Then if you actually go down, you will see one more award for PM, Brazil's highest civilian award, which was given to PM Modi, but there they'll tell you the name of the award as well. So name you have to learn. Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. I'll repeat all the points. You have to learn them carefully. Please spend some time. If you want these questions, join the channel. You'll get all of them there. I said countries joined New Development Bank, Colombia and Uzbekistan, and I said it brings the number to 11. So 11 countries are there in New Development Bank. I said it happened prior to the 17th BRICS Summit. That is what I said. Apple's new CEO, Sabia Khan. Income Equality Index, India remained on 4th number. Namibia's highest civilian award was given to Modi. Brazil's highest civilian award was given to PM Modi, Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. So Prime Minister Modi received these 2 awards. Learn the names carefully because that's how questions are made during these days. And, next, this is going to be the last page and 5 pointers are there. There also I'll assign you some tasks. Probably you should accomplish, but that's your choice again. National Handloom Day, 7th August. National Handloom Day is celebrated on 7th of August. A few days of August and a few days which were missed of July as well on the screen. Then 9th August, International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples. Mark this question, more important than other questions, way more important. Indigenous peoples, it was asked many times during, whenever any exam, takes place, if they have to ask, about the days, like from the month of August, they'll ask surely about this date. Indigenous, those who belong to that particular place. Locals, I'm referring to. So the rights of locals, the place belongs to locals, that's how they promote it. Anyway, International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples, and don't try to find out any grammatical error here. That's how UN writes, so I've written it that way. They are mentioning it emphatically that many people are there and that is how they're writing it. So 9th August is the date. International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples are celebrated here. This Breastfeeding Week was celebrated from 1st to 7th August. Of course, it is about children's health. International Chess Day is celebrated on 20th July. Learn this. Why? Because we are doing pretty well in chess. So there's a possibility they can ask you such a question as well. The next one is National Flag Day. See, if you study GS a bit, you must know, you are already aware of who designed India's national flag. So can you write down the name in the comment section? If you are aware, okay. If you are not, try to look for it. But your choice. If there is any theme for this particular question, try to write it down in the comment section. I'm asking you those questions which are quite relevant, but I want you to, do them. You have to do it, because if you do these questions, you will be able to gain a lot. National Flag Day, 22nd July, Kargil War. Kargil Vijay Divas, July, 26th July. World Hepatitis Day is celebrated on 28th July. I'll repeat all the questions once again. I said Handloom Day, 7th August. International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples, 9th August. World Breastfeeding Week, 1st to 7th August. International Chess Day is celebrated on 20th July. National Flag Day, 22nd July, 26th July. Kargil Vijay Divas, Hepatitis Day, 28th July. I think I could make things clear. I could make you understand whatever I was willing to teach. If you understood in the same manner, please press the like button. I would be happy to, get a like from you. Thank you so much for watching, guys.